Every single weekend we always have a lot of surprises. And today it's no different, you know. Today it's an extra special surprise. Even I myself was surprised this morning when these guys walked in to the studios of 103 FM right now. Let me say good morning and welcome to Sanam, boys. Sanam, the show that's about to go down tonight.
Hello, what's up,
Greg?
What's going on, guys?
You have to tell us.
Welcome to Trinidad and Tobago.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
When you guys came in yesterday,
Just now.
No,
Just now.
this morning,
Yeah, this morning.
Like literally just now.
did you guys have anything to eat yet?
Yes, we just had.
yeah, we-
Yeah,
Yes,
but we haven't slept at all. Some pumpkin thing we had.
Yeah.
What the promoter took you all to eat?
We heard about the doubles.
You didn't give them some doubles?
No, we've been hearing about the doubles.
Yeah.
We don't eat it.
You're supposed to go first for that, eh?
Yeah.
So tell us, you guys in Trinidad for what? The very first time?
Yes,
First
yes,
time,
yeah.
you know? Yeah.
We're here for a concert and we're really excited about that.
Tell me, introduce yourselves really quickly so the entire world can hear you guys.
Okay, hi, I'm Keshav Dhanraj. I play drums for the band Sanam.
My name is Venki S. I'm the bass player for the band Sanam.
I am Samar Puri and I play the guitar for the band Sanam.
Hi, I'm Sanam Puri and I sing for the band Sanam.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing it's two of you guys doing the majority of the singing, or just you alone?
Singing both these guys.
Both of them.
He does all the singing
Yeah.
and him.
Well, you know, here at 103 we actually feature your music a lot. Even before you guys the idea came about to bring you all to Trinidad, you all probably would have never known this, but 103 always featured your music,
Wow.
And that is where-
Wow, that's
Thank you so much. That's
and
great.
that is where
Awesome.
Shazim actually decided, hey, let me bring these guys to Trinidad.
Thank you. bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell us, guys, what do you guys have in store for tonight? What's going to go down tonight at the Sense of Excellence?
Well, to
Surprises.
experience, no, actually to experience that you gotta come for the show.
Are you coming for the show?
Actually, I might pass, you know.
Awesome.
I'll talk to Shazim. Once he hooks me up, I'm going to be there.
Yeah, it's
so-
gonna be a mix of all kinds of things. So yeah, there'll be a bit of dance, bit of slow music, bit of what else?
It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be an exciting show. We just had like an excellent show in Holland, so we wanna repeat it or like see if we can better it in Trinidad.
Yep.
And see like what the people here
What they
like
love.
to listen to.
Yes.
You know, maybe if they like to dance. Yeah, we've got some tricks up our sleeve. Let's see if you know.
And we're gonna hear you guys sing and perform for us.
Well, I know some of our local acts will be alongside you guys tonight.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
we're really
yeah.
looking forward to
Really
watching
about
them.
that.
as
So
well.
you're going to see what Trinidad talent has to offer as well.
Yes.
Tell us, tell the entire world, you know, for the benefits of those listening, who is Sanam? Because, I mean, we always play your music here at 103. We always say this is one from Sanam. But, I mean, to the listening public, who is Sanam?
We are Sanam.
We are Sanam.
We're a band, you know. So
Yeah.
we're a band of 4 guys, and we love playing music together and like you know rocking it out on the guitar, writing tunes together, improvising, and trying out ideas in the studio, and like you know coming to places like Trinidad where we can you know play our music to new audiences and like
Sanam
really
is a
vibe
band
out with
basically.
people.
It's a band.
Yeah.
You know, so band is something we've never like. It's not been the thing in India. So
Right.
you know, we are trying to work that out.
Because
Bring
most
it
of the
back.
time artists that come out of India, they're mostly solo artists, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you guys rocking as one unit.
Yes.
Yes.
1 unit, 4 people, 1 unit.
What's your specialty types of music you all are specialize in?
Oh well, pop music in general.
Right.
But we try to do different things. We try to experiment as much as we can. So we've put out a whole bunch of music like on our YouTube channel, and we're gonna keep trying to make it different and shoot different kind of videos and stuff.
I know you guys do a lot of those nice covers. Those
Yeah.
popular songs, by the way.
Renditions
We call them
yeah.
renditions.
Renditions.
Yeah.
Sanam
Sanam
renditions.
renditions.
Right? So,
Hashtag.
do you guys have like your own original music, or do you just do the
We do, we do.
renditions?
Yeah.
We
So
do,
you
yeah.
should check out our channel.
Yeah.
We've got quite a few originals that are doing fairly well.
Yeah.
There's the last one we put out was it Agar Tum Suno?
Aja, aja.
Aja Aja.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
most of them
Aja
are
Aja,
written by
actually.
Samar.
Yeah.
Yeah, he writes the lyrics.
Samar
Lyrics
Puri writes
and-
like most of the lyrics.
Yeah, and then there's another lyricist, Siddhant Kaushal.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there was another song called Ish Style that's all about having fun. We're going to be doing it tonight. There's a song that we wrote some time back called Teri Aankhon Se.
Yes.
That's another song we're going to be doing tonight.
And a lot of new originals coming up as well. So
Yeah.
Well, guys, I know everybody. They're definitely looking forward to the big show tonight. Anything you guys want to say to all of Trinidad and Tobago, seeing that it's your very first time here?
I think we're really excited. We've heard so much about the crowd here,
Yeah.
so we're really excited to see what
It's all about.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And we've come with a big, like, you know, with the whole
team.
crew, the
Yeah,
whole
the whole
crew's
crew,
here,
yeah.
the whole Sanam crew's here. We've got a management and a tech team, and we're all planning to do
I
something
think
great for you guys.
tomorrow we're gonna be like seeing the place and gonna have
Checking out
fun.
the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
so
tonight is all
tonight's-
happening.
Yeah.
Yes, it's all happening tonight.
I want to wish you guys all the best.
Thank you so much.
I know you all gonna have a blast tonight. When you see Trinis come out to party, hey, you're not gonna get that nowhere in the world, you know.
Yeah.
Only here in Trinidad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's what we've been hearing.
Glad to
about.
be here, and yeah.
When are you guys planning to head back though?
On first.
That's on Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
Monday.
so we have a show in Suriname after this, so
Right.
we need to go plan for that, and we might be even like shooting some stuff in Suriname. So you know,
Guys, make sure the promoter takes you all for some good Trini food.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
oh yeah,
Doubles and roti and curry is a must.
Okay.
Whatever you want to call it.
a double.
Shazim,
Yes.
the man of the moment. Anything you want to say to everybody listening right now?
Well, I want to thank One Tree for having us here, and
A pleasure.
We're looking forward to tonight. And for those who haven't got the tickets yet, please do. The guys are here now, waiting for you all. Have a big show in plan, and go to all Priyas, Prem Singh's, MS Food City DB, AV Concepts, and Bright Idea stores. Get the tickets, and we're looking forward to see you all there.
We're down to the final moment, you know.
Final
You know,
moment.
Shazim Trini is always very last minute.
Oh yeah.
So people now here listening on the radio, hey Sanam, they're really here, you know. Let me go and get those tickets. So guys, Trinidad and Tobago and the world, Sanam, they're in studio with us this morning. I believe Amrity has got us live on 103's Facebook as well. Say hello to the entire Facebook
Hello.
people.
What's up?
Hey
Hello.
people, we're here in Trinidad.
Hey guys, want to wish you all the best tonight. Hopefully I'll see you all later once Shazim links me up.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, we're gonna see you at the
Hope to see you
concert.
there.
Yeah.
For sure.
See you there.
Alright, thanks so much for passing through.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
And enjoy your stay in Trinidad. You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you, Greg.
Alright, so you're on to 103 FM. That's Sanam. The massive concert we've been telling you about all month here on 103 FM. You need to get your tickets right now. They're here with us in studio. For those who missed the little interview, you can check it out on our Facebook page right now. Yep, Sanam, the band, they're with us. They're here in Trinidad for the massive show tonight, alright? Keep it locked to 103, some quick messages, and we come back with some more.